Loyalties, welcome back to the channel. So please forgive me for my voice. It is a little off. I'm a little hoarse. It's weird. It's just weird, you guys. I don't know if it has anything to do with the weather changing or if your girl is coming down with yet another funky cold. So, and that's funky cold, not the cuss word. I noticed I said that so quick. I know people like, did she? No, she didn't. She didn't. So I try to keep as respectful as I can on the channel, okay? So anyway, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah, and this is a place where we do positivity and creativity, and we just sit back and just fellowship with each other down in the comment section, and we just have a good old time. So if you like a place like that and you want to call that place home here on YouTube, then go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and make sure that you click the little silhouette bell to the side to turn it on to the all position so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I upload to the channel. Okay, so now that we have all the logistics out of the way, I want to say today this is a bonus video, and I am going to be bringing to you guys my very first Christmas DIY, and I am so excited about it, and I hope that you are too. So of course, you know, this DIY is going to be affordable, it's going to be easy, it's going to be glam, and I hope that you guys like it. Okay, so sit back, grab you some wine, tea, soda pop, whatever you drink, water, it doesn't matter. Just kick back, relax, watch this video. All right, I love you all, every last one of you guys. I love you all, okay? Y'all have a wonderful, safe, and blessed weekend. See you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye-bye. All right, beautiful people, so let's get started DIYing. So first off, again, let me remind you that you can find all supplies listed in the description box beneath this video. So check it out to see what you will need to complete these DIYs. So today we are going to do two Christmas DIYs, one being Glam poinsetta candle holders, and the other being some Christmas inspired napkin rings, okay? All very affordable and simple. So here I am using some adhesive bling, and I'm just going to wrap it around one of these dishes that comes 4 in a pack from the Dollartree. You usually can find it in the dish aisle where the plates and all that type of things are. Usually you can find it there, and they come 4 in a pack. So I'm just taking, I'm going to use 2 of the 4 to create these candle holders, and I'm just going to add some adhesive bling to the very bottom. Now if you can't find the adhesive bling in the Dollar Tree, which they do sell it there, you can always use their diamond ribbon wrap, which is definitely in stock now, and add hot glue to it. So here I'm sharing with you how I got my mosaic pieces, glass pieces. Is from this candle holder that broke at the bottom. It is busted up on underneath on the bottom. It's no good anymore, and I was going to toss it out, but you know, me being a crafter, I figured that I can use it, and yes, I am going to take those mosaic pieces off of the broke piece, and I'm going to place them on this new piece that I am creating. Now I have seen some YouTubers recently haul that Dollar Tree is now selling these mosaic glass pieces by the sheet at the Dollar Tree. So be sure to check that out, or check their website for it. Okay, so you can find these at the Dollar Tree. So what I'm doing is taking these mosaic glass pieces, and I am hot gluing them around the bottom portion of this glass cylinder that I also got from the Dollar Tree. Now these mosaic pieces do have some adhesive on the back of it, but because I did take them off of another piece, I want to make sure that the mosaic stays secure, and so that is why I'm adding hot glue to secure them to the glass. Alright, so now that that is out the way, we're going to take that glass dish and we're going to glue the tall glass cylinder to it using hot glue. Now, I will also suggest that you use E6000 or this Fix-All glue, which is both permanent glue. The Fix-All is from the Dollar Tree, and it is just as good as the E6000, which you can get from Walmart or any craft store. So I suggest you add the fit salt along with the hot glue. The hot glue provides a quick hold, and the fit salt provides a permanent hold. So add those two on there for a second, give it a little hold, and then just continue to work with your project. Okay, so now this is our Glam Christmas poinsettia that we're going to use to embellish this candle holder, and this is what I got my inspiration from. This beautiful, what was a Christmas tree ornament, I am now going to use as an embellishment on this candle holder. And as you can see, I'm just using hot glue on all of the points, and I'm just pressing it up here. Now you can also again use that E6000 to get a more secure hold, okay? Especially if you plan on using this for like yearly, like every year or something like that, or to give it as a gift. I definitely suggest that it have more of a permanent hold. So once we have that on there, we're going to just add, you don't have to do this, you guys. This is definitely optional as well. All added bling is optional, but you know I love the bling and things, and so I am going to add a little bit of bling to some parts of this poinsettia just for it to pop just a little bit more, okay? It will be a great little addition for when the lights hit on the poinsettia. It will give it more of a like sparkly glam look. So I'm just going to take off little strips and add them all over the little poinsettia points, okay? All right, lovely. So what I'm going to do now is a very simple and easy DIY. I am going to take these little decorative Christmas clips that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take these napkin rings also from the Dollar Tree. They come 4 in a pack, and it's just the right amount that I need for my table setting. Since I went down from a 6 table setting to a 4 since one of my chairs broke. So anyway, I am going to pretty much just clip off this tag, and I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can apply these clips onto the napkin rings. Now first off, you can be simple and easy by just adding some hot glue to the back part of the clip and then just pressing it down on the napkin ring, so the clip does still stay on there. Now I'm just sharing with you what it looks like if you were to just clip it on there and not even use glue. The reason why that doesn't really work is because it is not evenly placed on there when it's just clipped, because it won't go all the way back. So you will have to add the hot glue to the bottom portion of the clip on the spray, and then press it down on the napkin ring, okay? Hold it there for a second, and that's it for that placement. Okay, now this is placement number 2. Here I am removing the clip from the spray, and you just got to keep twisting it. They have it like stuck. There's a little piece that's stuck in there, and then it's glued down in there. So just a little bit of wiggling, and it should come off with no problem. Now, if you want to, there's a little piece that still sticks out. If you want to make it flush to the napkin ring, which is a lot easier to do, but I just didn't want to cut mine off just because I wanted to use it for something else, then you would need to clip that little piece that sticks out right there, and then you'll have an easier way to glue it down. So now that you've removed the clip, you're going to add some hot glue to either the napkin ring or to the bottom of the spray. You could do either or, and then just place the spray on top. Pretty simple and very easy. So here is the reveal of both completed DIYs, you guys. I hope that you were inspired by them. They were very simple and easy, and honestly, you can get every last one of these pieces from the Dollar Tree, you guys. Even the Mosaic pieces can be ordered from the Dollar Tree if you cannot find them in your store, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being so supportive. Please leave me a comment down in the comment section below. You know I love chatting it up with you guys. Let me know what you think about this Christmas DIY. And these lovely napkin rings, you guys. And wow, will you be using this technique for this Christmas at your table or in your home? I do hope so. If so, and you are on social media, then please send me a picture to my Instagram. And my Instagram name is _Hannah Watkins. Okay, so you can send me a picture there. I would love to see your DIYs. Thank you guys again. Have a wonderful weekend and enjoy. Until the next time, love, peace, and blessings. Bye bye.